Yo!
Alpha's girl soaked in nature. It's so frozen. It's so frozen.
Ang dumi. Hugasan ko ba? Nahugasan. Kapag na pagod. Kulang ako sa tulog. Babawi tayo mamaya. Medyo matagal pa to. Sumagot ka. Hoy. I'm pretty sure that was Maine. At Maine in 29. It's somewhere here.
I forgot. We go here. We just went here last week. I don't know where Brecca.
Where's it?
I swear Brecca was on Fraser.
No, there is one here.
Then I don't know. Oh yeah, up.
Up. There's
Right.
one here, somewhere here.
Right.
29.
Right, past barbecue chicken.
This is 29.
There. It's there.
Oh, okay, there we go.
Bye. Brecca. Brecca.
If you want to, yeah. Just get the cake or something, I don't know. Yeah, hopefully it's only $10. It's $12 on the other side.
Oh, I bought milk. So if Uyen wants to drink, she can have a little bit. $7.99. Hello. Oh, wrong way.
I don't know why you're going there. It's like an easy way here.
I don't know either.
Hi. It's fucking heavy.
I'm having low blood sugar. Pero mga na soup. And yung mga pepperoni sticks. Pinapap pa ako.
There's like a ring of like colors. It's like a rainbow.
Oh, yeah. But can't tell on the freaking GoPro.
Yeah.
It's too small.
Yeah, like pretty.
I can see how.
Yo!
That's why I hold it like that because I can control it.
Wow.
Thor's hammer. There.
Whoa, so strong.
Do anything.
Keep yourself up.
So you gotta be confident, right? Excuse me. When you're hitting, you gotta hit it hard. Faster, stronger, like that.
Woo! was growing. Soaked in nature.
I know. Sun's finally peeking through.
And you're not even in the sun.
Like, it's so nice because it's warm.
We have marshmallows or anything on
Oh, we can get some. We'll go back to the town. We'll grab some sausages.
Some of us have to stay here.
Yeah. Dude, I actually like this camping, but this kind of time. A lot of people.
Corn. That's gonna make you go back to the nature again. I'm kidding.
What?
Yan ang tinatawag na bisngay. Moses. Chun-Li.
Chun-Li.
Look at the bun, Chun-Li. But it's Vietnamese version. It's Chun-Le. This is more extreme smoking version.
I just have a... Oh, there we go.
Marshmallows.
This guy wanted marshmallow. You know where he got idea from? From here.
It was like that.
Yeah.
It grew too long.
And then the other side grew.
It just started getting so heavy. It just.
Where are the ants?
What?
So like it grew
Can't
something.
handle it?
Oh! Is that a soup?
I don't know if we should just slowly.
Just slowly put the chicken in until like...
Hi. It's been
Oh my god, it's so
It's
frozen.
frozen?
It's so frozen.
Tinola puree.
Tinola puree. Whose recipe?
Mine.
Didn't touch any of this. If it doesn't taste good, it's not mine.
I'll take credit.
Disclaimer. Disclaimer already.
No, I bet it's good. Well, I
Ah.
seasoned the soup a little bit.
I have level 10 cooking.
Level 10
And
cooking.
level 20 wood cutting.
He's following you. The smoke.
Look, look. See?
Here.
Yeah, stay behind you. It's a bait mechanic. He's doing a raid. It's too damp.
Feels so warm.
Yeah, hobo.
That's what she said.
I have nude.
I know, it's a drink.
Even saying some sketchy shit.
Right. Show me the nude.
And nudes.
The nudes.
Yeah, vodka soda, that's what it is.
What?
What's the other brand? White Claw, that's it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yo, where the heck is my drink?
Didn't know you want some nudes.
No, not nudes. I want
Yeah,
my
no.
beer.
Don't drink all the nudes.
I'm okay with my own beer. R.I.P. Vessi. Hey, sponsor! Vessi!
He's thinking.
Canada A. Canada A. Canada A. Canada
Henry grabbing some beer.
Yeah, I'm counting.
Look at her eyes. Glaring.
This is our chair.
I don't drink before I eat.
Huh?
I don't drink before I eat.
It's getting cold in here.
So put on all your clothes. Hey.
Only there's one that
What's with it? Earlier was longer.
Yeah.
Eating time. Thanks to Master
I don't
Jake.
feel any movement when you do it.
Eating time.
You will grow well or blend well with the and I clean it before.
Pasado ba, boss?
Yeah.
Babe, I have a hand warmer.
He has a crafting level 20.
Do you guys have to craft there? In Los Angeles?
Not
Or
really.
just upgrade?
Just like potion, food.
The thing is
That's pretty much most of the crafting.
plates.
I got it.
But there's
That was gonna be hard work. Ziploc in there.
there's a ziplock in there, so you have to or throw it. I don't know. Maybe put it somewhere else.
So because I don't think we're gonna use it. Oh.